In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a product in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which details to fill in so your products are set up correctly and ready to use in your sales process. First, open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com. Sign in with your usual account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on the main Zoho CRM dashboard, take a moment to let everything load so you can clearly see the navigation menu. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a vertical menu with different modules. Find and click on the option labeled Inventory. This section is where Zoho organizes items related to products, stock, and other inventory-related records, so any product you create here will be available across your deals, quotes, and invoices. After you're in the inventory area, look for products in the same left side menu or along the top tabs within the inventory section, depending on your layout. Click Products. This will take you to the main product list, where you'll eventually see all the items you add. For now, it might be empty or only have a few sample entries. To create a new product, look for a button or link that says Create a Product or simply Create. This is usually located near the top right of the product list page. Go ahead and click that. Zoho will open a new product form where you can enter all the details about the item you want to add. One of the first things you may want to do is add a product image. Look for an image placeholder or an upload image option. Click it, then browse your computer for a clear, high-quality picture of the product. Choose an image that makes it easy to recognize at a glance. Once you've selected it, confirm the upload and wait a moment for it to appear in the form. Now, move on to the main product information section. This is where you'll enter details like the product name, product code, or SKU, and any other identifiers your company uses. Take your time here and make sure the name is clear and consistent with how your team usually refers to the item. Fill in any additional fields your organization relies on, such as category, manufacturer, or any custom fields you see on the form. After that, scroll to the price information section. Here, enter the standard selling price for the product, and if your setup includes it, you can also add cost price or different price levels. Be accurate with your numbers and format them correctly, including the right currency. This is important because these values will show up automatically in quotes, deals, and invoices. Next, you'll see the stock information area. Fill in any fields related to quantity in stock, reorder levels, or warehouse details, depending on your configuration. If your company actively tracks inventory through Zoho CRM, this section helps your team know how many units are available and when to restock. Then, move down to the description information. Use this space to provide a clear, concise description of the product, explain what it is, any key features, and anything your sales or support teams might need to know at a glance. A helpful description can make it much easier for others in your organization to understand and use this product correctly. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with the details, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the form. Click Save. Zoho CRM will create the product record, and you should now see it listed in your product